Hey, outdoor enthusiasts! Want premium camping gear without the premium price tag? Today, I've got 30 incredible Amazon finds that feel high-end but won't drain your wallet. These clever gadgets will save you time, boost your comfort, and make camping way more fun. Plus, I've got a surprise item near the end that's a total game changer. You don't want to miss this. Number 1. Camping LED Lantern with Power Bank. Hey, outdoor enthusiasts! Starting our list is the Camping LED Lantern with Power Bank. Ever been caught in the dark without enough light or power? This versatile lantern not only illuminates your campsite with bright, adjustable LED light, but also doubles as a power bank to charge your devices. It's perfect for late-night reading, cooking, or emergency situations. The key benefit? You get reliable lighting combined with portable charging power, saving space and money compared to buying separate gadgets. Thousands of campers swear by this lantern for its durability and multifunctionality. It's like having premium gear at a budget-friendly price, making your nights safer and more comfortable in the great outdoors. Number 2. Collapsible Silicone Travel Cup. Tired of bulky cups that take up too much space in your pack? This flexible, foldable cup expands for use and collapses flat when not needed. Made from food-grade silicone, it's safe, durable, and perfect for hot or cold drinks on the trail. Whether you're sipping coffee in the morning or water after a hike, this cup adapts to your needs without adding bulk. What makes it stand out? Its portability and leak-proof design mean you can stash it in your backpack or pocket easily. Many outdoor lovers love how it combines convenience with style, feeling like premium gear at a fraction of the cost. It's a small investment for big camping comfort and eco-friendly hydration on every trip. Number 3. Compact solar panel. Want to harness free renewable energy during your outdoor adventures? This lightweight foldable solar panel captures sunlight and converts it into power for your devices. It's perfect for charging your phone, GPS, or even small power banks while you're off-grid. Its portable size means you can slip it into your backpack without adding extra weight. The main advantage? It keeps your electronic devices alive without relying on batteries or outlets, especially when you're miles from civilization. Many campers rave about its efficiency and durability in various weather conditions. For budget-conscious travelers looking to maximize their power supply, this solar panel offers premium functionality at a wallet-friendly price. Number 4. Compact Camping Chair. Tired of uncomfortable sitting on uneven ground? This foldable, lightweight chair offers a sturdy, comfortable seat wherever your adventure takes you. It's designed to be easy to carry, with a compact fold that fits into your backpack or car trunk. Perfect for relaxing at the campsite, watching the sunset, or taking a break during hikes. What's the biggest perk? It provides the comfort of a premium chair without the hefty price tag. The quick setup and durable frame make it a favorite among budget-conscious campers. Thousands of outdoor lovers swear by this chair for its convenience and comfort, proof that you don't need to spend a fortune to enjoy premium outdoor gear. Number 5. MultiTool Survival Card. Ever wish you had a Swiss Army knife that fits in your wallet? This slim, credit card-sized tool packs multiple functions, including a bottle opener, screwdriver, knife edge, ruler, and more, into one compact piece. It's designed for emergencies, everyday use, or just fun on the trail. The key benefit? It's incredibly portable and always within reach, so you're prepared for just about anything without carrying bulky gear. Many outdoor adventurers love how it combines utility and convenience at such an affordable price. It's a must-have for camping, hiking, or simply being prepared, proof that premium quality doesn't have to come with a premium price. Number 6. Lightweight Camping Pillow. Getting a good night's sleep outdoors can be tough, but this inflatable pillow makes it easier. It's compact, easy to inflate, and provides soft yet supportive comfort for your head and neck. Whether you're in a tent or sleeping under the stars, this pillow adds a touch of home comfort to your adventure. The standout benefit? Its portability and quick inflation mean you can carry it effortlessly and set it up in seconds. Many campers rave about how this pillow improves their rest, making their trips more enjoyable and less fatigue-prone. It's a small upgrade that feels like luxury, proving you don't need expensive gear to sleep soundly in the wild. Number 7. Waterproof Phone Pouch. Protecting your phone from water, dust, and dirt can be a challenge in outdoor environments. This transparent, sealed pouch keeps your device safe during rain, river crossings, or beach days. It's touchscreen compatible, so you can take photos or check maps without removing your phone from the pouch. What's the key advantage? It's affordable, reusable, and provides peace of mind knowing your tech is protected. Many outdoor lovers depend on these pouches for their adventures, feeling like they've got premium waterproof protection without the high price. It's an essential for preserving your device's safety and your memories in every outdoor adventure. Number 8. Collapsible water bottle. Staying hydrated is crucial, but bulky bottles can be a hassle to carry. This flexible, foldable bottle expands when full and collapses flat when empty, saving space in your pack. Made from BPA-free silicone, it's safe, durable, and easy to clean. The main benefit? It's incredibly practical for maximizing space during travel and camping. Many outdoor enthusiasts love how light and portable it is, feeling like premium gear at an affordable price. Hydration has never been easier or more eco-friendly. This bottle proves you don't need expensive gear to stay refreshed on your adventures. Number 9. Camping hammock. Imagine relaxing in nature with a comfy portable hammock that's easy to set up. Made from strong, breathable nylon, it supports your weight comfortably between 2 trees or sturdy posts. It's perfect for resting, reading, or even sleeping under the stars. What's the biggest perk? Its lightweight, compact design makes it easy to pack and carry, ideal for backpackers and car campers alike. Thousands of outdoor lovers swear by this hammock for adding a touch of luxury to their trips without breaking the bank. It's a premium experience made affordable, turning your camping trip into a true retreat. Number 10. Camping stove. Cooking. Delicious meals in the wild doesn't have to mean hauling heavy, expensive gear. This portable, lightweight stove uses simple fuel canisters and heats up quickly, making it perfect for boiling water or cooking meals on the trail. Its compact design fits into your pack easily. The key benefit? It offers the convenience of a premium camping stove at a fraction of the cost. Many outdoor chefs love how it simplifies meal prep, making camping more enjoyable. Whether you're boiling water for coffee or cooking a full meal, this stove proves that affordable gear can deliver premium performance, elevating your outdoor culinary experience. Number 11. Mini camping fan with USB power. Hey adventurers, staying cool in the tent or camper can be a challenge, especially in warm weather. This mini camping fan with USB power is a game changer. Compact and lightweight, it plugs into a power bank, laptop, or USB outlet to deliver a refreshing breeze right where you need it. Its quiet operation makes it perfect for sleeping or relaxing without disruption. The main benefit? It provides instant cooling without the hefty price tag of premium fan. Many campers love how portable and versatile it is, perfect for hot summer nights or stuffy tents. For a small investment, you get big comfort, proving premium outdoor gear doesn't have to break the bank to keep you cool. Number 12. Cookware Mess Kit. Preparing meals outdoors can be messy and complicated, but this all-in-one set simplifies everything. It includes a pot, pan, utensils, and a storage bag, all designed to nest together for easy carrying. Made from lightweight, durable materials, it's perfect for backpackers and car campers alike. What's the biggest advantage? It streamlines your cooking setup, saving space and reducing clutter. Many outdoor lovers swear by its convenience and quality, feeling like they've got premium cookware at a budget-friendly price. Whether boiling water or frying breakfast, this mess kit makes outdoor cooking straightforward and enjoyable. Number 13. Carabiner clip hooks. These versatile clips are perfect for securing gear, hanging lanterns, or organizing your campsite. Made from strong aluminum or steel, they're built to withstand outdoor conditions and support a good amount of weight. Their simple design makes attaching and detaching gear quick and easy. The key benefit? They keep your campsite tidy and your gear accessible without spending a lot. Many campers love how these clips turn chaos into order, feeling like premium organizational tools at a fraction of the cost. They're an affordable, reliable solution for making your outdoor experience smoother and more enjoyable. Number 14. Silicone Pet Bowl for camping. For campers with furry friends, feeding on the go is a breeze with this collapsible bowl. Made from food-grade silicone, it folds flat for easy packing and expands when needed for food or water. It's leak-proof, durable, and safe for pets of all sizes. What makes it stand out? Its portability and ease of cleaning make outdoor dining with pets stress-free. Many pet owners rave about how it keeps their pets happy and hydrated without cluttering their gear. It's a small, affordable upgrade that makes camping with animals much more enjoyable, because your pet deserves the best too. Number 15. Nightcat Pop-Up Mosquito Tent. No one wants to be eaten alive by bugs while relaxing outdoors. This easy-to-set-up, lightweight screen tent provides a bug-free zone for sleeping, relaxing, or eating. Simply pop it open and enjoy a protected space that's ventilated and spacious. The biggest perk? It's affordable, portable, and effective, designed to keep pesky insects out without sacrificing comfort. Many campers love how quick and easy it is to set up, transforming outdoor spaces into bug-free sanctuaries. It's a smart, budget-friendly investment for anyone wanting peaceful nights under the stars. Number 16. Portable camping toilet. Let's face it, finding a restroom in the wild isn't always easy. This foldable, lightweight toilet offers a hygienic solution for outdoor emergencies. Its sturdy seat and leak-proof design make it comfortable and dependable, whether you're backpacking or car camping. The key benefit? It's an affordable way to ensure your outdoor experience remains comfortable and sanitary. Many outdoor lovers appreciate the convenience and peace of mind it offers, feeling like they've got premium comfort in a compact package. For a small price, it provides big peace of mind during your adventures. Number 17. Foldable camping table. Setting up a stable surface for dining or gear organization can be tricky in the wild. This lightweight, foldable table opens quickly and folds flat for easy transport and storage. Made from durable materials, it supports hefty loads and resists outdoor elements. What's the main advantage? It turns any campsite into a functional space without the high cost. Many campers love how it elevates their outdoor experience, making meal prep, card games, or gear sorting more convenient. It's proof that you can enjoy premium outdoor comfort without overspending. Number 18. Headlamp Flashlight. Hands-free lighting is essential for nighttime activities, whether cooking, hiking, or reading in your tent. This adjustable headlamp provides bright, focused beams and a comfortable fit, even during extended use. Its waterproof design ensures durability in all weather conditions. The biggest benefit? It keeps your hands free for tasks, making your outdoor routines safer and easier. Many outdoor enthusiasts swear by its brightness and battery life, feeling like they've upgraded to premium gear at an affordable price. It's a small but vital piece of equipment that makes all the difference after sunset. Number 19. Knife, fork, spoon set. Dining outdoors should be simple and mess-free, and this compact utensil set makes it possible. Crafted from stainless steel or durable plastic, these utensils are lightweight, reusable, and easy to clean. They nest neatly into a carry case, perfect for camping or picnic. The main benefit? It's an affordable way to enjoy proper meals outdoors without sacrificing quality or convenience. Many campers love how sturdy and practical these sets are, feeling like they've got premium utensils without the hefty price tag. A simple upgrade that makes outdoor dining more enjoyable and eco-friendly. Number 20. Packable Backpack. Whether you're hiking, day tripping, or need extra storage, this ultra-light, foldable backpack is perfect. It expands to hold your gear and folds into a small pouch when not in use, taking up minimal space in your main pack. What's the biggest perk? It offers the convenience of a premium hiking pack at a budget-friendly price. Many outdoor lovers rave about its durability and portability, making it a staple for all kinds of adventures. It proves that you don't need to spend a fortune to carry your gear comfortably and efficiently. Number 21. Pack of biodegradable wipes. Staying fresh on the trail can be a challenge, especially without access to shower. These wipes are eco-friendly, gentle, and effective for cleansing your face, hands, and body. Their biodegradable formula ensures you leave no trace behind in nature. The main benefit? They provide a quick refresh without harming the environment, perfect for maintaining hygiene during extended camping trips. Many outdoor enthusiasts swear by their convenience and eco-conscious design, feeling like they're caring for nature while caring for themselves. An affordable essential for staying clean and comfortable in the wild. Number 22. Silicone Tent Anchors. Securing your tent properly is crucial to withstand wind and rough weather. These flexible, durable silicone anchors are easy to insert into soil, sand, or grass, providing reliable hold without damaging the terrain. They're reusable and resistant to weathering. What's the biggest benefit? They make tent setup more secure and hassle-free, especially in tricky ground conditions, all at a fraction of the cost of traditional stakes. Many campers love their versatility and strength, feeling like they've upgraded their gear with premium quality anchors that are budget-friendly. A small investment for peace of mind during every trip. Number 23. Portable waterproof Bluetooth speaker. Crank your favorite tunes or listen to podcasts while relaxing around the campfire with this compact waterproof speaker. Its rugged design resists splashes, rain, and dirt, making it perfect for outdoor use. It easily pairs with your phone or device via Bluetooth. The key benefit? It delivers high-quality sound outdoors without the premium price tag. Many outdoor lovers love how it enhances their camping experience, turning silence into a lively atmosphere. For those who want premium sound in a small, affordable package, this speaker is a must-have for every adventure. Number 24. Reusable food storage bag. Say goodbye to disposable plastic bag. These silicone bags are eco-friendly, leak-proof, and perfect for storing snacks, leftovers, or ingredients. They're freezer-safe, microwavable, and easy to clean, making them versatile for camping and everyday use. What makes them stand out? Their durability and sustainability help reduce waste while keeping your food fresh. Many outdoor enthusiasts love the convenience and eco-consciousness of these bags, feeling like they're making a positive impact while enjoying premium quality gear, an affordable upgrade for eco-minded campers. Number 25. Reflective tape. Safety in the outdoors is paramount, especially at night. This reflective tape can be applied to tents, backpacks, or gear to increase visibility in low light conditions. It's easy to stick, cut, or sew onto your items, making your campsite safer and more visible to others. The biggest perk? It's an inexpensive way to boost safety during night hikes, walks, or when setting up camp. Many outdoor lovers swear by it for peace of mind and enhanced safety, feeling like they've added a touch of premium safety gear without the hefty price. Critical for every nighttime outdoor adventure. Number 26. Solar-powered string lights. Set the mood at your campsite with these charming, eco-friendly lights. They harness sunlight during the day and glow beautifully at night, creating a cozy, inviting atmosphere. Their weatherproof design ensures durability against the elements. What's the main advantage? No batteries or electrical outlets needed, just sunlight. Many campers love how these lights transform their outdoor space into a magical retreat, feeling like they've added premium decor without overspending. Perfect for making memories around the campfire in style and comfort. Number 27. Collapsible trash bag. Keeping your campsite clean is essential, and this foldable trash bag makes it simple. Made from sturdy, waterproof materials, it collapses for easy storage and expands to hold all your waste. Its drawstring closure keeps trash contained and prevents leaks. The key benefit? It's an affordable, eco-friendly solution to manage waste responsibly. Many outdoor lovers appreciate how it helps maintain pristine nature and keeps their site organized. It's a small but impactful item that feels like premium gear, helping you leave no trace while enjoying your adventures. Number 28. Multi-use camping gear organizer. Staying organized in the wild can be tough, but this versatile storage solution keeps your gear sorted and accessible. It features multiple compartments, pouches, and straps to hold everything from utensils to flashlights. Made from durable, water-resistant material, it's built to last. What's the biggest perk? It simplifies packing and keeps your gear protected and easy to find. Many campers love how it transforms chaos into order, feeling like they've upgraded to premium gear at an affordable price. An essential item for a tidy, stress-free outdoor experience. Number 29. Magnetic car phone. Mount navigating or checking your map while driving to your campsite is now safer and easier. This magnetic mount attaches securely to your dashboard or vents and holds your phone firmly in place. Its strong magnets and adjustable arm make viewing angles simple. The main benefit? Hands-free convenience and safety, all at an affordable cost. Many outdoor travelers love how it keeps their phone accessible and stable, feeling like they've added premium car accessories without overspending. It's an easy upgrade that makes your journey smoother and safer. Number 30. Portable coffee maker. Nothing beats waking up to a fresh brew in the wild. This compact, easy-to-use device brews coffee directly into your mug using ground coffee or coffee pods. It's battery or USB powered, making it perfect for camping, hiking, or road trips. What's the biggest advantage? It brings the luxury of gourmet coffee to your outdoor adventures without the high price. Many outdoor lovers rave about how this small gadget elevates their mornings, feeling like they've brought a little bit of home comfort to the wilderness. A must-have for busy campers and coffee lovers alike. Thanks for hanging out. If these budget-friendly camping finds helped you upgrade your gear, hit that like button and subscribe for more outdoor hacks. Remember, you don't need to spend a fortune to camp like a pro, especially with that last item I teased. Stay tuned, it's a must-see.